Look at Kaspa. This thing came up just a little bit higher than what we were looking for here. So we're going to raise our target up here a little bit and then raise our box up just right up into this zone here. Okay, just a little bit higher. There we go, right up to there. All right, right down to about 13,238 is what I'd be looking in the area for a bounce. You could get it even at 13.8 here, really. But, you know, I'm more or less leaning down to this area at 13.23 area, somewhere right down there. That's your 50%. How about Trump token there? How about this thing? It has absolutely been blasting it. And then we're going to take a look at the next level, possibly up here for Kaspa. We're going to take a look at some more RSIs. But this thing, 27.05 right now. Pretty crazy. You can use leverage on it over on Bitfinex if you want to sign up. There's a link in the description of the video. You can go over there and leverage trade this thing. It is absolutely crushing it, right? You can see here, did an ABC right here on a 15-minute. I'd be watching, if I was looking to take a long in this thing, first off, you want to see, break of this, which you're getting right now, right? Maybe a retest and a bounce here. More than likely, it's going to pull down for wave 2 and then rip out of here. But you want to see a higher high also, right? For sure. If you come in on a 30-minute, I would definitely want to see a higher high. But you could get a wave 2 pullback here. This ABC looks complete, so you would think a bottom would be in and a move headed towards the upside. The RSIs, the 30 minutes at the bottom, 15-minute. Looks like it wants to roll over 54.8 and a 54.9. But yeah, this thing unbelievable. Launched on a lot of these right around $1. So you're looking roughly 26x right here. Whatever, it was up to 34x. Does anyone know? Did it launch any lower than that? Or that, that'd be crazy if it launched like a penny and did a then that would be some absolutely crazy returns. Of course, the 26x overnight is absolutely insane, right? If this is going to bounce, I'd be looking for a bounce around that 50% area. It's getting down there right now as we're doing this video. That 382. If this is a wave 2, if you're going to get your bounce at that 50%, and this thing starts back up towards the upside, could be a very, very good shot here to long. ABC definitely completed, though, measured out perfectly. We'll come back to this chart in a second and see. Back over here in Kaspa, like I said, looking for that pull down, the 8-hour RSI. Let's see, heading down 44 and a 57. Your 12-hour 63 to 77. It's also pulling down. The daily 63 and an 81 pulling down. Now we take a look at a couple other things here. That thing's coming straight down here too, isn't it? On the 12-hour. Yeah, we haven't even reached up there to 618 here. So looking at this low, ended up with a higher high over here on the daily, of course, right? And then we ended up down here. This ended up a high down here, just about a lower low. Then we ended up a higher high, looking for that higher low and a bounce up out of here, right? So that's what we're looking for out of Kaspa. Come over, let's go out in the weekly and look at this thing. It's held this area very, very well, right? I expect it to, like I said, I expect it to definitely get a bounce out of here. But on a weekly, you can see this high, this low, lower high. Want to get a higher high out of here for sure and bust out of this area. Right up here is where Kaspa has had a major problem, right up through here. Nothing but wicks up through there on the weekly, 19 cents. A weekly close above that level would be absolutely massive. Of course, we're not anywhere near there yet. But weekly RSI heading to the upside looks very, very good here. Like I said, be watching for that area here. on Kaspa. It's getting down there. Not a whole lot further to go, but gonna want to see a bounce in this range right through here, and then head out of here. All right. If we get the bounce there, I'd be looking for a potential target up here. You know, up to 17.4. 17.1 to 17.4 to be the next area of of it possibly getting a little resistance at, and that would put us on the overall picture here. I believe that would put us through. Yeah, that would put us through the 618-702 area. So that would get us up into this range here. Maybe then a correction, and then we would be looking at taking out this high over here. And heading up towards that next level, which could possibly be back up towards that 20 cents, right? That's a little bit further down the line. We'll talk about that when it comes. But, Kaspa pulling down here pretty hard. I think everything is right now. Trump token getting a bounce on the 382. All right, so we will see what happens with this thing. It's going on a smaller time frame. Yeah, 3 minute. 3 minutes getting a bounce there. We'll see. This thing looks about ready to go. All right, thank you so much, guys. Join up for that level 3 membership. Come join us in Discord. It's only $15. You'll get your money's worth. You get 10 hours of videos, teach you how to start charting, and you get a link to the Discord. Thank you so much, guys. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. There goes Trump coin. Looks like it might be taking off here again. Have a great day, everybody.